Silicone 3D printing is a high-tech technology that uses liquid silicone for 3D printing services, demonstrating its wide range of applications as an additive manufacturing technology in various aspects. This technique is mainly by injecting a format of silicone material into the printer's head, and then building the object through layer-by-layer curing. The main advantage of silicone 3D printing is that it can make 3D models with a high degree of flexibility and durability, which means that it can withstand higher loads and pressures than other materials, while saving space due to its flexibility without affecting its mechanical properties. Silicone is also resistant to extreme temperature and radiation fluctuations, making parts less susceptible to such effects than glass or similar materials. Silicone's high transparency, ideal for models that require visual inspection, and its combination of conductivity, insulation, and biocompatibility make it attractive in a variety of 3D printing applications. The products produced by Silicone 3D printing technology are highly flexible and durable, can resist extreme temperatures and radiation, and have certain biocompatibility, and are therefore well used in the medical field. Therefore, this technology is very attractive for manufacturers. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.